September 28th. We are eating spaghetti. First time to eat it by ourselves. This is Miss Avery. This is Miss Sloan. It is good, good, good. Isn't it? It's good, good, good. Yeah. That's right. That good? Yeah. Tell me about it. Avery shoving it in. Can't get it in there fast enough. That good, Aves? Good. What are you telling me, Sloan? Huh? What are you talking about? Yeah? You like the camera? Huh? What do you think? Okay, I'll watch Avery. You eat. Avery has a stash in her bib. What are you doing? You're talking a lot tonight. Do you like that spaghetti? Yeah? Yeah. And we're gonna be a year old next Saturday. Next Saturday. 1 year. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Look, can you see that tooth? You can see all those teeth. Avery, honey, you are tearing it up over here. See, I like spaghetti. Oh my Lord, look at that face. Look at that face and all that stash in that bib.
What are these babies doing?
Say hey, Daddy.
Hi, hi. What are you doing?
Sloan's talking to the camera.
Dada? Yeah, you eat your spaghetti. Are you being a good girl?
Mm-hmm. She's shoving it in so fast, she's not making a noise.
You left half of it down here.
That was Sloan's burping. All right, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.